Alright, so here I'm going to be drawing this triangle from our practice. So now I'm going to make the screen larger. Alright, so it looks pretty much like this. Up here, and we have a 1/4 inch. It's 1 inch tall. This is 1/2 inch. Great. And this is 1 inch. So to get started, I'm going to do my front view. Okay. Now I look here and I see that this is the front. So I'm going to start with the bottom left for my front view, and this is the left side of my drawing, and that's the width. So here I'm going to measure a 1/4 inch for width. At this point, I'm just going to continue at my own pace and talk about what I'm doing. The height is 1 inch. Okay. And the height here is 1 inch. Now I can connect this, and this matches that front rectangle I see. Now, in my front view, I do not see depth, so now I'm going to continue this way, and it goes over, it's going to be a 1/4 inch. So now, line it up, 1/4 inch, and I'm going to skip ahead, because I know that this whole thing is 1 inch. It's going to be 1/4. I'm going to skip this 1/4, and then I'm going to draw 1/2 inch. Okay. I'm doing my best here. Okay. Just connect the dots. And what do I do here? Easy. Connect your two ends. That's your front view. Now, I'm going to use a pencil. I'm going to transfer over some lines. You can very lightly transfer over lines. Now, this may not work perfectly, but I'll do my best here. Is it blurred? Focus. Alright, I can't get it to focus, so I'm just going to continue. I'm not putting measurements down. And here's my side view. Now, if I'm looking from the side, I'm not going to see any width lines. So I know that it starts off with that rectangle that juts out, and I'm going to match it to my height lines here. Now I got a width. Should be 1/2 inch. Okay. I'm going to see this edge, so I'm going to go straight up and down to the pencil height line that I have, and then let's see, another 1/2 inch. Did I get that right? Good guess, Mr. Rutz. Okay, another 1/2 inch. Straight up and down, nearly there. Now I'm going to add a hidden line because I cannot see that ledge from the side view. Now my top view, that's real bright. Okay, for my top view, same thing. Get your straight edge, transfer your lines upward. Do the best you can to keep them straight. I may have to remeasure this. Now, if I'm looking at this from the top, I'm going to see depth lines and width lines. So I know that that front portion has a width of a 1/4 inch. Okay, it's going to go in 1/2 inch. It's going to go over 1 inch. Half an inch. 1 inch. And connect. Almost done. This gap right here, I'm going to see it. Let's get that. So I'm going to just put a little dot. That's a 1/4 inch. That's another 1/4. And I'm going to do hidden lines. I messed up, and I have a pen. This should be a hidden line. It should be a dotted line. Last thing, I'm going to see this corner, so it should look like this. That's it.